From nuclear-powered AI data centers to massive chip investments and new geopolitical tensions around artificial intelligence, here are the biggest AI developments happening right now around the world. Let's start in Europe. France has announced a major new strategy to become a global AI infrastructure powerhouse. President Emmanuel Macron revealed plans to use France's massive nuclear energy capacity to power future AI data centers. Training advanced AI models consumes enormous electricity, and governments are now realizing that the country with the most reliable energy supply could become the next global AI hub. France already generates around 70% of its electricity from nuclear power, which means it can supply stable, low-carbon energy for huge AI compute clusters. The strategy is simple: attract global tech companies to build their AI supercomputing facilities inside France. If successful, France could become one of the world's key locations for next-generation AI infrastructure. But this move also highlights a much bigger trend happening across the tech industry right now: the AI infrastructure arms race. Major tech companies, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, are spending tens of billions of dollars building massive AI data centers packed with high-performance GPUs and advanced networking hardware. Analysts say this spending wave could become one of the largest technology investment cycles in history. Some estimates suggest that total global spending on AI infrastructure could reach trillions of dollars over the next decade. But there's also a warning emerging from financial analysts. Many hyperscale companies are now taking on significant debt to finance these enormous AI data centers. The cost of GPUs, power systems, cooling infrastructure, and networking equipment is extremely high. As AI demand grows, companies are racing to build capacity faster than ever before. This raises a major question for the future. Will AI revenues grow fast enough to justify these huge investments? Next, let's talk about the companies powering this entire AI revolution. While NVIDIA continues to dominate the AI GPU market, another semiconductor company is rapidly gaining attention: Broadcom. Broadcom produces specialized networking chips that allow thousands of GPUs inside AI data centers to communicate with each other at extremely high speeds. As AI clusters grow larger, this networking technology becomes absolutely critical. Some analysts believe Broadcom could see massive revenue growth over the next few years as demand for AI infrastructure continues to explode. In other words, the AI revolution is not just about models like ChatGPT, it's also about the enormous hardware ecosystem that powers them behind the scenes. And now, the AI race is also becoming increasingly geopolitical. China is reportedly tightening restrictions on certain artificial intelligence software inside government institutions and financial organizations. Authorities are warning agencies not to install specific AI tools due to security and data sovereignty concerns. This reflects a broader global shift where AI systems are no longer seen only as technology products. They are now considered strategic infrastructure with national security implications. Governments around the world are starting to regulate how AI tools are used, where data is stored, and which foreign technologies are allowed inside critical systems. And finally, one more major development in the AI funding war. Elon Musk's AI company xAI is reportedly raising around $10 billion in new funding at a valuation close to $200 billion. If confirmed, this would be one of the largest AI funding rounds ever. The goal is to dramatically expand compute power, hire top AI researchers, and compete directly with companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic. Right now, the race toward advanced AI and potentially artificial general intelligence is being driven by just a handful of extremely powerful technology labs, and each of them is investing billions into compute infrastructure, talent, and research. So if we step back and look at the bigger picture, the AI industry is entering a new phase. Countries are competing to host AI infrastructure. Tech companies are spending historic amounts of money on compute. Semiconductor firms are racing to supply the hardware powering the AI boom, and governments are starting to treat AI as critical national technology. The AI race is no longer just about building smarter algorithms. It's about power, infrastructure, economics, and global influence. And if the last 24 hours are any indication, the pace of this transformation is only accelerating. Stay tuned, because the next breakthrough could arrive any moment.